Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Falcon Car Review, and today we are going to discuss about new Suzuki Hayabusa 2021. So let's get started. Hayabusa is famed for its abundant power, agility and majestic presence. Legendary for establishing new levels of ultimate sport performance, and for retaining the number one position for the past 2 decades in the class it created. Fast forward to today. Total commitment and tireless effort give birth to a new generation perfectly poised to carry riders boldly into the future. Its further enhanced riding experience features even smoother power delivery and nimbler handling, a collection of the latest electronic systems designed to optimize performance characteristics and make the Hayabusa more controllable and predictable, as well as unshakable reliability. And it wraps all this in a package that will instantly turn heads with its breathtaking style and grace. A 6-axis, BOSS IMU inertial measurement unit combines accelerometers and gyroscopes in a single compact package that constantly monitors pitch, forward or backward tilt, roll, leaning from side to side, and yaw turning in relation to initial direction. These measurements are compared against one another as well as readings from wheel speed sensors to keep the Hayabusa aware of its situation at all times and realize several of the advanced SIRS controls. Actually, IMU means the basic function of an inertial measurement unit is to measure the orientation and acceleration of the motorcycle. It does this using several gyroscopes and accelerometers to measure 6 major parameters or motions, 3 rotational components and 3 translational components point-to-point motion. Suzuki Intelligent Ride System SIRS. SDMS Alpha for a smarter, surer ride. Suzuki Drive Mode Selector Alpha SDMS Alpha groups together 5 advanced electronic control systems while enabling riders to select individual settings for each. It optimizes performance characteristics and behavior to best suit varying road surfaces, riding conditions and preferred riding styles. Experiment with the different settings and benefit from the feedback each offers to hone your riding skills and build greater confidence while enjoying the ultimate riding experience. In addition to 3 factory presets, A, B, C, SDMS Alpha offers a choice between 3 user-defined groups of settings U1, U2, U3. Modes and settings can be changed using switches on the left handlebar, and the current settings are displayed on the TFT LCD panel located in the center of the instrument cluster. Power Mode Selector. We can select between 3 different engine output modes in Hayabusa that control power delivery to match road and riding conditions. Mode 1 provides the sharpest throttle response and delivers maximum power. It's a solid choice for the experienced rider out for a sporty run. Mode 2 provides softer throttle response and more linear power delivery. That makes it a practical mode for daily riding. Mode 3 provides the softest throttle response and features a more gentle power curve with reduced maximum output. It's well suited to riding on wet or slippery roads, or while still getting used to the potential of the ultimate sport bike. Anti-lift control system. Suzuki has successfully developed an advanced system that maximizes acceleration performance while preventing the front wheel from lifting off the ground. The system offers a choice of 10 mode settings when turned on, with Mode 1 providing minimal control and Mode 10 making it virtually impossible to lift the front wheel, even when fully opening the throttle with a passenger on the back. Bi-directional quick shift system. Shift up or down more quickly and easily without the need to operate the clutch or throttle. Quick Shift offers 2 modes. Mode 1 reacts more quickly to replicate racing style response, while Mode 2 offers a lighter touch. To ensure smooth shift action when using Quick Shift, the ECM retards ignition when accelerating or maintaining steady speed and opens the throttle valve when decelerating. Performance of the new assist and slipper clutch ensures even smoother shifts. Engine brake control system. This system cancels out the effect of engine braking to suppress rear tire sliding or skipping and provides smoother, more controllable behavior. A choice of 3 modes plus an offsetting let you control the effective strength of engine braking to match riding conditions or your preference. Motion Track Traction Control System. This takes traction control to a new level by employing data from the IMU to constantly monitor the amount of lean angle and effectively limit slip in corners as well as on straightaways. It provides greater stability at all times, enabling confident control in varying riding conditions while reducing stress and fatigue. The system offers a choice of 10 mode settings, and it can be turned off when preferred. The higher number the mode, the faster traction control is engaged and the more proactive the system is in limiting wheel spin. Note that the Motion Track Traction Control System is not a substitute for the rider's throttle control. It cannot prevent loss of traction due to excessive speed when the rider enters a turn and/or applies the brakes. Neither can it prevent the front wheel from losing grip. The Hayabusa's chassis is designed to empower you with sure footing, nimble handling and predictable control that combine to build confidence and enhance the riding experience. It delivers a smooth and comfortable ride that absorbs irregularities in the road surface and responds faithfully to your will. It effectively transfers the abundant power of its legendary power plant to the pavement while fully leveraging its onboard intelligent control systems to run and brake effectively, whether barreling down a straight section of road or leaning through corners. At the core of this outstanding chassis is the Hayabusa's tried and true twin-spar aluminum frame and swing arm. Though Suzuki built and track-tested a number of different prototype frames during the development phase, the proven combination of extruded aluminum sections and aluminum castings continues to lend the right amount of suppleness and strength to the overall rigid alloy frame structure. While more costly and demanding to fabricate, extruded aluminum sections pay off in achieving the overall balance required by a machine that delivers ultimate performance and reaches a nominal top speed of 299 km per hour. This is why extruded aluminum frame members can also be found on a number of supercars. Optimized suspension. KYB inverted cartridge forks provide 120mm of front-wheel travel and feature diamond-like carbon DLC coating on the 43mm outer diameter inner fork tubes to reduce friction and improve reaction to small irregularities in the road surface. Spring preload, compression damping and rebound damping are all fully adjustable. The internal structure has been upgraded to better to absorb the road surface and ensure an even smoother, more stable ride with optimum grip. The internal structure of the fully adjustable KYB link type rear suspension was also revised to maximize comfort and straight line stability. Additionally, settings for both the front and rear suspension are optimized to achieve a stable ride with neutral feel at all speeds. Brembo Stylmer front brake calipers. The Hayabusa adopts Brembo's latest Stylmer front brake calipers. Featuring a lighter, more compact and carefully sculpted design intended for use on high-performance motorcycles, these new calipers increase airflow around the brake pads to cool more quickly and deliver immediate response. These are paired with front discs with a diameter increased from 310mm to 320mm and featuring a new hole pattern that further helps optimize cooling efficiency. Exclusively designed Bridgestone tires. Suzuki worked closely with Bridgestone for years in developing the new Battlax Hypersport S22 tires especially to meet the true needs of the Hayabusa. The new tires boast improved dry grip, performance in wet conditions, greater all-round traction and agility, while retaining a great level of durability. Featuring a new compound and construction, the marked difference these tires demonstrate in straight line stability and cornering grip offers every rider a more exciting and confidence-building experience. The tires are mounted on new 7-spoke wheels that not only look great, but also help improve grip feel. The sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is unmistakably that of the Hayabusa, but the modern look of its styling and luxurious attention to the finest details say it's a whole lot more. True to its design concept, the refined beast, the new Hayabusa's long, low stance screams of the power, performance, poise and keen perceptive abilities possessed by a bird of prey. With an upswept tail and mufflers lending to the aggressive stance of its mass-forward image, this Hayabusa appears to be poised and ready to take flight on an exciting ride. The new mufflers take on coloring unique to your riding style over time, adding a personal touch to your Hayabusa. Splashes of color and chrome accents contrast blacked-out panel sections to create a visual impression of the incredible performance potential waiting to be tapped. Even the new English and Japanese logos speak of speed. The Hayabusa, it's a true tour de force. Aerodynamic performance is critically important on a motorcycle capable of reaching top speeds nearing 300 km per hour. Extensive wind tunnel testing, full use of the latest K-tools and years of experience all contribute to achieving refined styling by which the rider and bike become one wind-cutting beast. The Hayabusa features one of the best drag coefficients found on any street-legal motorcycle, while also achieving excellent CDA and lift values to maximize top speed potential and stability at top speed. By any measure, ultimate performance is what the Hayabusa is all about. Riders love the familiar layout and outstanding functionality of the Hayabusa's instrument cluster. Now it benefits from a number of carefully considered touches that make its functional brilliance shine even brighter. Bigger, bolder numbering on the analog tack and speedometer improve readability, as do the backlit raised scale markings around the periphery. One standout item is the new TFT LCD panel mounted in the center. In addition to the current SDMS Alpha system settings, it features an active data display that enhances the ride by offering a bird's-eye view of the bike's current operating status. This includes real-time display of the lean angle with peak hold function, front and rear brake pressure, rate of acceleration, and throttle position. The Hayabusa's vertically stacked low beam and projector-type high beam headlights adopt LEDs. The distinctive signature of their lighting pattern provides clear illumination at night and makes the Hayabusa highly visible to pedestrians and other traffic. Position lights with integrated turn signals asterisk, a first on a Suzuki motorcycle, neatly flank the outer edges of the large SRAD air intakes. In the rear, a bold new LED taillight and rear turn signal design creates a single wide, sharp accent running horizontally across the bottom of the tail section. 1340cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine. Optimum power, durability and control. Though the engine is already renowned for its improved durability and longevity, the following refinements aim to take it to another level. New pistons and connecting rods reduce the weight of moving parts within the engine. Changes to the crankshaft oil passages improve engine lubrication. The transmission shaft needle bearings are extended in length. Attention to detail goes as far as changing the way the engine case bolts are tightened, and even to the threading for the screw holes in the upper crankcase. The new pistons and twin-swirl combustion chamber TSCC design fully leverage advances in K analysis to bring in more air as the valves begin to lift and thereby increase combustion efficiency. Suzuki side feed injectors SACFI feature a new dual injector design that positions the secondary injector so its spray strikes a reflecting plate in the funnel and enters the combustion chamber as a fine mist. This combines with the increased capacity of a new air cleaner and longer intake pipe designed to optimize low to mid-range power output and make the Hayabusa more controllable in typical daily riding situations. Suzuki's ride-by-wire throttle control system provides natural response with linear control, while a related change to a 43mm bore size for the throttle bodies boosts low and mid-range power output. Also helping to improve performance and controllability at the most commonly used low to mid-range speeds are the new engine's reduced valve lift overlap and a new pipe on the exhaust header connecting cylinders number 1 and 4. Refinements implemented throughout the Hayabusa's legendary 1340cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine achieve an even better balance of overall performance, yet greater efficiency and durability, while also satisfying Euro 5 emission standards. Inheriting the proud legacy of the ultimate sport bike that established the category in 1999, the Hayabusa continues to deliver more torque and power than any other sport bike at the engine speeds typically used in daily riding. A symbol of engineering pride and prowess, it is built to deliver the ultimate riding experience for the long run. Launch control system. Turn the throttle and experience an efficient launch and acceleration in similar fashion to the way racers leave the starting line. A selection of 3 mode settings let you match the engine speed at launch to your level of experience or confidence. Mode 1 limits engine speed on launch to 4000 revolutions per minute, Mode 2 operates at 6000 revolutions per minute, and Mode 3, the fastest mode, operates at 8000 revolutions per minute. Active speed limiter. A first in the motorcycle industry, this system lets you set a speed you do not wish to exceed and then accelerate and decelerate as you please up to that speed. This helps lessen worries about the bike exceeding your chosen speed limit. Cruise control system. Cruise control reduces fatigue on long rides by allowing you to maintain a set speed without operating the throttle. The speed can be easily adjusted upward or downward using the mode set switch on the left handlebar and set from 31 km per hour to 200 km per hour while riding at 2000 to 7000 revolutions per minute in second gear or higher. The handy resume function re-engages the system and accelerates to the most recent speed setting after braking. Emergency stop signal. Another first on a motorcycle in Suzuki, this function rapidly flashes the front and rear turn signals to alert following vehicles if you brake suddenly at speeds of 55 km per hour or higher. Note: emergency stop signal is not available on North American, Indian or Canadian specification units. Motion track brake system. The system combines vehicle posture data from the rear with front and rear wheel speed sensor data to allow ABS activation not only in a straight line but also when leaning into a corner. The bike is therefore less likely to try to push itself upright or lose traction, instead maintaining its radius and lean angle to better trace your intended line through the corner. Note: ABS is not designed to shorten the braking distance. Please always ride at a safe speed for road and weather conditions, including while cornering. Slope-dependent control system. Monitors the motorcycle's posture and angle to help prevent rear wheel lift by using the ABS to control brake pressure and compensate when applying the brakes while traveling downhill. Hill hold control system. Hill hold control is designed to automatically engage the rear brake for 30 seconds after coming to a stop while facing uphill on an incline, even when you release the brake lever or pedal. This helps ensure a smooth restart free of worries that the bike will roll backward. The system is disengaged either by quickly squeezing the front brake lever twice, or by accelerating to pull away from a standing start. The perfect marriage of power and poise. Ultimate performance is born of the perfect marriage between power and poise, and between the rider and the bike. The Hayabusa delivers this in spades. Abundant power and torque offer a more confident ride in any gear and at any speed. Its chassis and running gear ensure the nimble handling to put the rider in full control. All this is skillfully bedded in a bold design with an aggressive stance that highlights its luxurious details and speaks of fine craftsmanship. Like its namesake, the Japanese peregrine falcon, the Hayabusa earns its position as the fastest, most agile predator in the wild. It's far more than the sum of its parts. Specifications: overall length 2180 mm 85.8 in. Overall width 735 mm 28.9 in. Overall height 1165 mm 45.9 in. Wheelbase 1480 mm 58.3 in. Ground clearance 125 mm 4.9 in. Seat height 800 mm 31.5 in. Curb weight 264 kg 582 pounds. Engine type 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, DOHC, inline X stroke 81.0 mm by 65.0 mm 3.189 in. By 2.559 in. Engine displacement 1340 cc 81.8 cu in. Compression ratio 12.5, 1 fuel system fuel injection. Starter system electric. Lubrication system weight sump. Transmission 6-speed constant mesh. Front suspension inverted telescopic, coil spring, oil damped. Rear suspension link type, coil spring, oil damp pedicate rate 23 degrees 00, 90 mm 3.54 in. Front brakes Brembo style nerve, 4-piston, twin disc, ABS equipped. Rear brake innocent, 1-piston, single disc, ABS equipped. Front tire size 120/70 ZR17 MC58W tubeless. Rear tire size 190/50 ZR17 MC73W tubeless. Ignition system electronic ignition transistorized. Fuel tank capacity 20.0 L 5.3 US gal. Hayabusa color options: B5L Plus Sparkle Black Candy Burnt Gold, B5M Metallic Matte Sword Silver Candy Daring Red, B5N Pearl Brilliant White Metallic Matte Stellar Blue.
Thank you all for watching our video. Sarav Selvakumar signing out from Falcon Car Review. Also please don't forget to like, share, support and subscribe our channel Falcon Car Review.